Hello, sir.
Hello.
May I know your name?
I'm Bhaskar Chitla.
And where do you stay, sir?
I stay in Powai, near Sun City.
Okay. What is the age of your child?
My child who has just passed out from the school is 4 years old. And my elder son who is 10 years old has also studied here.
Okay. Okay. So what kind of a play school were you looking out for your children?
Basically, I wanted a school from where I won't have any complaints from the child saying that he doesn't want to go to school or any that kind of impression. Basically, the child should be comfortable first. Okay. And I was certainly looking for a school with a lady teacher because they are more compassionate. They show more affection and love. That is my wish.
Okay. So before finalizing on Little Stars, did you consider any other school in the option?
No. That time when my elder son we had put here, we were here in Daffodil, which was very near. And this was the best school for me because at that time I didn't know, he was my first child and this was the first school. So I didn't have any impression on schools, but first idea why I came here is that the school is near. Thereafter we continued and we ensured that 6 years afterwards my second son also studied safe. That was my feedback on the school.
Okay. So out of your personal experience, what are the two best things you feel about Little Stars?
See, the best things are, one, the child is very well taken care of, right? Never ever, in the complete 2-3 years that my children have studied here, never ever there has been any complaint from the child coming in that he doesn't want to go to school. That itself shows that the atmosphere in the school is very good. Okay. The second thing is, they keep repeating the name of the teacher saying Nitanti every time that they say. That itself shows how much personal interaction the teacher has spent with the child. Okay. That is what I like. And thereafter, we had seen the curriculum that Madam gives us to follow even at home. Those things that the point-wise schedule given for the child's upbringing itself shows how much research has gone into making the curriculum for a kindergarten, for a nursery child, whereas we see all these programs being made for higher education, but here in lower education also such a good schedule has been made and is being advised to follow, and that is one good thing about the school. Okay. The second thing is children are very well taken care of. The kind of feedback they give when they come home about the school and the kind of feedback we get at the doors and the kind of setup that Madam has here in the school with all those ladies and all who take care of children, because at that age I do not know what amount of learning goes into the child, but there's a lot of activity that is required because more than a class curriculum, they learn a lot through activity. Right. So we find that there are so many things here to have activity-based programs. That is what helps developing the child's mind. Okay. That is good in the school.
Okay. And do you feel that anything could be better in the school?
If you say, that is an open question, like there is nothing, there is sky is the limit for betterment. But for that age group, I feel whatever is required is there here. Okay. See, I would say if you have another school wherein something else is happening, we can rate whether this is good or that is good. To my knowledge, if I rate with the schools around this school, I think this school is the best. Okay. Because the teacher is not interested in making money out of education. That is the best thing. The second thing is, she takes a lot of personal care in everything. Not just Madam, even her total family is involved in the school, and they ensure that children come out well out of this school, which itself shows a complete dedication of the teacher in the school. That is what is good. Then thereupon, any betterment that comes upon even in future times can be brought into the school. Basic funda is education is the motive, and education of a junior KG kid, of a kid in nursery and playgroup, exactly the kind of curriculum that is required is here. So, in fact, why do we rate so much on a school where we are putting our toddlers? Does not need so much of research, but whatever is required is here. In fact, one more thing which you wanted me to answer. I had more than thrice suggested Madam that she should start KG also. fact,
Okay.
personally, I have so many times interacted with her, telling that why don't you start KG also. She was very clear on mind that for the time that she has, she can spend only in the nursery and playgroup setup. Else,
Okay.
had she thought of business, she would have started KG also a long time back.
Sure.
And in fact, that is more of our requirement. She has a market of KG, but she is not looking at education and business. She wants to treat education as education. That is the best thing. What
Okay.
else can we ask for playgroup nursery?
Right. And finally, sir, if you were to recommend Little Stars to some other parents on a scale
Why
of
some other parent? You see, my son who has studied here 7 years back, after 7 years I came back with my second child. The world has changed a lot in 7 years, but we stuck to the same school. That is
Sure.
our interest. And obviously, I have only 2 children. I told madam, I can't give you any further business. But of course, there is nothing negative to be told about the school. That is the best thing. And any child, any parent who has a toddler who is looking for a school would first look upon care of the child when the parent is not around. That is absolutely there here. Then the education. I told you about how much research has been done on the education to make a program. You see the classroom and all set up, you will find that the classroom is basically a playgroup activity center. It is more or less like a classroom, more like an activity center. And that is what is the great thing about the school.
So how would you rate it on a scale of 5?
Now, why would you like to ask for a rating at all? It is amply clear. 5 upon 5 or 10 upon 5.
Okay.
Because they are being taken. You see, something that is called after 100% efficiency, there is something called 110% efficiency. And it is school diabetics. Now, chapter 5. I don't have a third child. So I am asking madam to continue with KG. So
Okay.
I cannot have another child, but madam can have another class to continue coming here. But
Right.
she has her own limitations.
Fine.
So,
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.